Welcome to this Plinker System screencast video. This is the third in a series of videos talking about the target system administration. We're going to pick up where we left off, talking about with the target info button. Clicking this button simply sends a command down to the target system, and it brings back information about this particular target system, like the version of the firmware, total number of games, and whatnot. This is not something that you will need on any regular basis, but our tech support team may ask you for that at some point. Now, the log level, so by default the log level should be set to info, which basically means no logging. And if we turn logging on, then what happens is we get detailed output from the log file. So if I load the log file, then we start seeing just a lot of information that's being output by the target system. We don't generally need that, but our tech support team may ask you to enable that and reproduce a problem and email us the log file. In general, we're going to leave that turned off. Then the battery check. So if I click battery check, it queries the battery level. You can see this is 70%. It's also displayed down here in the bottom in this green bar. The self-test button sends a command down to the target system and says, check me out. Let me know if everything's working correctly. And so it actually goes out and queries each individual sensor and brings back the success message. If for some reason one of the sensors is not working, it will show up with an error here. It also checks for shorts in the lasers and in the sensors. So don't usually need to do that, but if you think you have a bad sensor, coming in here and checking that will confirm that. Then finally, the reset button is like a warm boot on your computer. So you click the reset button if you had a problem and you think it may need to flush everything out, you can reset it. You don't generally need to do that, but it's there in case you do. So that's it. We'll talk in the next video about the rest of the buttons, and hope you'll watch it.